Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service Amazon EKS Auto Mode, a new feature that simplifies Kubernetes cluster administration for networking, storage, and computation from setup to ongoing maintenance with a single click, is now generally available. The Intel Fortran Compiler IFX is a new compiler that uses LLVM back-end technology and is based on the Intel Fortran Compiler Classic ifort front-end and runtime libraries. A method for sending quantum information from a transmitter at one place to a receiver at a distance is called quantum teleportation. Smartphone technology's latest invention, OnePlus Ace 5, provides a strong and smooth user experience. The ACE5's cutting-edge hardware and elegant design revolutionize performance, graphics, and usability. It's much simpler now to observe your Amazon Aurora databases. Rather of wasting time creating dashboards, generating alerts, and setting up telemetry, you just launch Amazon CloudWatch Database Insights and have a look. Anyone can create generative AI-powered apps with Party Rock AWS and Amazon Bedrock Sandbox by only describing the app they want to build without knowing any code. With the help of the example application NVIDIA ChatRTX, you may customize a GPT large language model LLM linked to your own documents, notes, images, or other data. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.